National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Champaign County, northwestern Clark County, central Miami County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tip City, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Troy, Tip City, New Carlisle, West Milton, Brown, Christiansburg, Northampton, Donaldsville, Castown, Ginghamsburg, Thackeray, Haven View, State Route 41 at State Route 235, Grayson, Dial 10 and Crystal Lakes. This includes Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile marker 66 and 78.